Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So here follow the fixes. The first fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all 4 steps, you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here follow the steps. First step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. Go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2. Clear Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta's cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta game and highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Now make sure you click Delete from console when deleting. Step 3. Clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. If you do not see this option in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. After following all these 4 steps, you can now launch Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 2. Remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove. Select the account in which you are having issue and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3. Manually select port. Go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check if it solves the problem or not. Fix 4. Run Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5. Change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Now launch the game again and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS type 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS type 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then launch the game and check. Fix 6. Reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta. If nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to uninstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta from your Xbox. Restart your Xbox console, then press reinstall the game and then launch it and check if the issue is solved or not. So these were some of the fixes that will help you to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta, crashing issue, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.